supporting Green India initiative by Narendra Modi. Pune have launched e-bikes, which is called rent bikes, rent cycle, to avoid the pollution, save the environment, save our planet Earth. So please, I appeal everyone to support Green India initiative. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Best luck.
Now we are moving from this spot, which is Wadgaon Budruk, Pentakids Play School, a very famous play school in the vicinity. From Pentakids Play School, we are driving towards the Nanded city. It is almost around 12 to 15 kilometers ride, and we are promoting on the way to create the awareness about cycling and the Pune city. So everybody on the way, we're gonna explain them what is the benefit about cycling.
This is the time to go green in whichever way we can to save our planet Earth. Huge carbon emission in our country on daily basis by factories, vehicles, etc. If we all take small steps towards reducing it, then there will be big impact in long run in future. Meeting the 30% reduction target in carbon emissions by 2020 is priority. The growth of that transport has led to the increase in carbon emissions, and that is worrying trend for everyone.
Awesome, because it's part of exercise too. I am wearing this mask because lots of pollution, and to avoid this pollution, we need to come back to our basics. Green India.
So let's take one step towards Green India. Using cycle will definitely reduce the carbon footprint in long run, and cycle will help you to be fit as well.
Hello guys, after a little break, it's time to drink some water. See, the benefit of bicycle, I can keep my bottle as well. Yeah, so now we have just reached the entrance. We have just reached the Nanded city. It's one of the biggest township in Pune, and you see the green surrounding over here. So that's what the message is. Green India, save the planet Earth, support the government. Now from here on, Mr. Aryan, can you please come this side? Especially for the young kids, I want to spread this message. We want to spread this message that youngsters should not stick in the devices like mobiles, computers. They should come out, ride bicycles, play football, play cricket, do running. So that's the message. We're gonna spread this awareness all over now. From here, Aryan will take over, and Aryan can say a few words about the initiative.
Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has made this initiative. Now I'm going to start my ride and end up till when I finish my round till here. So let's start, and I hope that you all will follow the initiative. Thank you.
While Aryan started riding cycle, I started running. Government of India along with state government has started the initiative to promote the use of bicycles. That's why most of the metro cities in India, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, already have e-cycle or rent a cycle schemes running all around. Many companies like Yulu Bikes, ONN Bikes, Smart Bikes, and many more are already actively providing rent a cycle in these cities. These rent cycles includes a regular bicycle with pedal and electric cycles as well. These are good for short as well as long rides from metro station to home, office to metro stations, home to school or college, or anywhere wherever you want. These companies came up with green mobility along with easy to operate smart apps. These economical, environment friendly and easy to use cycles are really good for anyone and everyone. All over the world, most of the governments are encouraging people to use green transportation for their daily commute. Many people use cycle for their daily travel around the globe. Slowly in India also it's picking up. Government is trying to promote use of cycle and electric cycle as well as electric two-wheelers and four-wheelers as part of Green India plan. Most of the big cities in India are making separate cycle tracks alongside the main road. So safely you can ride your bicycle on those tracks. Many automobile companies have launched electric two-wheelers and four-wheelers in last couple of years. So guys, let's start helping the world with these small steps. Let's try to use cycle for short trips or walk if we are going nearby. Instead of using two-wheeler or four-wheeler, let's use public transport whenever possible. And let's start using electric bikes and cars to save our planet Earth. To support the cause and to contribute in reducing the emissions, we have booked Bajaj Chetak, an electric scooter. Expected delivery was in April, but due to lockdown, it is delayed. Let's go green everyone and save the planet Earth.